Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Honda HR-V cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and remove all contents inside. This will give you clear access to the filter housing. Make sure you have your new cabin air filter ready, as this process is quick and easy. Having the right filter ensures optimal air quality in your vehicle. Next, gently detach the dampener arm located on the right side of the glove box. Once released, press inward on both sides of the glove box to disengage its stops. This allows the glove box to swing down fully, revealing the rectangular cabin air filter housing behind it. Take care not to force anything during this step. Now locate the two clips on the cabin air filter housing cover and unclip them. Carefully pull the cover straight off. You will see the old filter inside. Gently slide out the old, dirty filter. Take your new filter and note the airflow arrow. It should point downwards when you slide the new filter into the housing. Ensure it sits flush. To finish, reattach the filter housing cover, making sure both clips snap securely into place. Then, push the glove box back up, re-engaging the stops and reattaching the dampener arm. Your cabin air filter change is complete. Remember to check your owner's manual for recommended replacement intervals, typically every 15,000 miles or once a year. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.